জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
By any means, I have to stop him.
Hey, Nayan, where are you going?
Hey, rickshaw! Rickshaw! Ride available? Let's go.
Wait! Wait, please stop. Don't go. Stop. Please stop. Don't go.
Hey, friend! What are you doing? Have you gone crazy? What were you up to? Why were you trying to stop that person? You just avoided an accident.
Friend, have you seen his face? Does the sketch made from my description in this morning resemble the face of this person, friend? Please tell me, friend, please.
Do you still remember his facial features? I cannot recall anything. I can't say whether he resembles the person in the sketch. I cannot remember anything.
Lord Vishalakshi, why did you take away my sight? Why? If I could see him, I would have immediately realized whether he was the same person. Just why? Just why? Otherwise, I could have realized. Why? Why, Lotus Vishalakshi? Why
Please
did you
calm
make
down,
me
my
lose my
friend.
sight?
Please calm
Why?
down.
Sanjukta and Vicky are going somewhere.
Is that true?
Yes, they were carrying some bags along. Didn't you ask to inform you whenever they stepped out of the house? That's why I came to let you know.
You can't leave the premises without facing me today. Just wait for me. I'm coming.
We won't answer any questions. If anyone asks us about our destination, just ignore them. Avoid the rest.
Absolutely. You don't have to.
Mom, where are you going?
Oh, Deepu chose the wrong time.
What's the matter? Tell me, where are you going?
We'll be out for a while.
And exactly where to?
What happened to you? You didn't used to question me like this before. What got into you suddenly?
Mom, all kinds of things are happening suddenly. The people who are close are moving away, and the trustworthy can't be trusted anymore.
Are you ridiculing me, Deepu? You rummaged through the belongings in my room. Did you find the deed of the property? You did not find it there, so why are you talking to me like this?
Just because I didn't find anything doesn't mean I heard it wrong.
What did you hear, Dipto?
What I heard made me sick to my stomach. However, everyone should know about it.
What is it, Deepu? Tell us.
Instead of making Nayan sign the divorce papers, Mom made her sign the deed of the property.
That is why Deepu was so worried.
What? What are you saying?
That is the truth, Grandma. I heard it very clearly.
No, Mom, no. I don't know why he's speaking about the deed. Believe me, I didn't do anything.
How can we believe you, Mom? Shame on you, Mom. How could you stoop so low? You're trying to seize property from someone who has lost her sight, exploiting her helplessness.
Shame on you, Sanjukta. How many more sins will you commit? You have reached a point of no return.
Now I get why the sibling pair was in a hurry to depart. After all, it's about the property. You could wait no longer. Shame on you. Shame on you, Sanjukta. Sha.
Hey, Why are you being silent, Piku? You should join in with them to insult me as well. You two shouldn't spare me. Everyone in the family believes in Nayan and has faith in her words. No one is ready to hear me out or believe my words. Despite repeating myself that I don't know anything about the deed, nor did I make Nayan sign it, no one believes me. No one. Fine. I'm swearing in Deepu's name that neither did I know anything about the deed, nor did I make Nayan sign it. I never even mentioned it. I did not say anything. Won't you believe me now, Deepu? Huh? Being your mom, you don't think I would lie after swearing you, right?
You can do it, Mom. My death won't even bother you a bit.
What? What did you say?
I don't know about anyone else's opinion, but judging by your level of greed, you can swear false others even in Piku and Jeet's name. That's why I don't believe any of you. Not even for a moment. And I'm sure of it, that the fact you were leaving has something to do with the deed. Hand over the bag, Mom. And I'm quite sure that the deed to the property is in it.
Please don't be like this, my friend. Listen to me. Rather than being angry with yourself, you should direct your rage towards those responsible for your blindness. They should be punished.
Forget about punishing them. I couldn't even protect the person who was right in front of me. If something happens to him now, I won't be able to forgive myself, my friend. I'll never be able to forgive myself. I can never forgive myself.
Please calm down, my
I won't be able to
friend.
forgive myself, friend. What will I do now? I don't understand.
Please control yourself. Control yourself,
I
my
don't
friend. Please
understand
don't act
anything.
like this.
I don't
Nan?
understand.
What are you doing here?
Policeman? Policeman, where were you?
Oh, I was on the rounds. I was actually searching the house according to what you said, with the pillars carrying doll murals. There's not a single house that matches the description. And my child, you please think about it carefully. I mean, aren't you mistaken about the vision?
No, policeman. I'm sure of it. The visions I have from the Lord is always correct. I'm feeling helpless, policeman. I'm running out of time. On top of it, he visited the police station.
What? He visited the police station?
Yes, he did, policeman. But since I couldn't see, I couldn't recognize him. Even when he was before me, so I couldn't stop him. By the time I recognized his voice, he was already too far for me to reach, policeman.
Oh no. That man gave us a slip. If we had been able to seize him, we might have known the truth, right?
Policeman, what's more important is that his life is in imminent danger.
My friend, I'm scared. Will you not be able to save him?
My friend, just see, I will definitely save him. Lourdes has instructed me to save the person through the vision, my friend. So I am going to save him, even if it costs my life. I will definitely save him.
My friend, please don't say such grave words.
I am being serious, my friend. I have to save that man at all costs. But how can I reach him? Just how? Policeman, please tell me, what should I do?
I am thinking about the same thing. I too am worried. Then, my child, if Jasmine gets her hands on him before us, and if that guy meets her, then I must tell you he's really in grave danger.
Policeman, will Jasmine really try to contact him? Okay, policeman, if that's the case, then we can track Jasmine to reach the house with the doll on the walls. Policeman, Jasmine is definitely going to meet him in that house. She definitely will.
Mom, give me the bag.
Deepu,
Come on, give it to me.
Deepu.
Mom, I'm saying,
Deepu.
give me the bag.
Deepu, what are you
Patient.
doing?
What are you up to?
Deepu, don't be so irrational. What are you trying to do? Someone please make him understand. Deepu, Deepu, please stop it. Vicky, make him stop.
What-
Just
what
stop
can I-
him.
What are you doing, Dripto? Piku? Hey, Piku.
Yes?
Why are you standing still? Please go and make him stop.
Dripto. Please listen to me, Dripto. See, Dripto, the way you're searching for mom's bag is hurting her. Leave it, you won't find anything. I can assure you of mom's innocence.
Piku, you better not get into all this. The deed is certainly in the bag. You just move away.
Let them do what they want. Whatever happens, I won't interfere with any of it.
Mom, where is the deed? Where's that paper? Where did you hide it?
The deed isn't in the bag. Did Vicky forget to put it in the bag?
Where did you hide it?
When all your rummaging couldn't yield any results, then accept the fact that we are innocent, Dripto. We don't have any such papers with us. The deed is both inside the bag and not in it at the same time. Did you get it? Hmm? Now raise the graph of your acting skills to a higher level.
Deepu, has your bag search concluded? Or is there anything left to try? Do you suspect your mom so much? Am I so distrustful? It would have been better if you had evicted me, as you can't tolerate me anymore.
Leave the house right now. Leave, Mom. You better leave this house. You have time until tonight. You should leave the premises by tomorrow morning. Come on, pack your things. You don't need to stay here anymore. Come on, leave from here.
Deepu? Deepu, what are you saying?
You heard it loud and clear. Do you want me to repeat myself?
What is all this happening right now? The situation is getting more and more complicated. But where is Nayan? This commotion has been going on for a long time. And why Nayan isn't here?
I can't believe my own ears. Did you just ask me to leave, Deepu?
Dripto, please, don't say any more such things. There's still time for you to apologize to her, so ask for your mother's forgiveness. Sanjukta won't be able to tolerate such an insult. She will really leave.
I meant it, Mr. Vicky. Both you and Mom will really have to leave the premises. And you only have time until tonight. Better keep that in mind.
Grandma, what's happening is right. It seems Dripto has a revelation now.
Yes, you are right. It will be peaceful from now on.
Dripto, please don't do this. On what ground do you want to punish Mom? And Mom hasn't been proved guilty yet.
Listen, I don't have to prove anything, Piku.
But Dripto, without any proof,
The way I loved Mom to this day, I didn't feel the necessity to prove it. Similarly, I don't need to prove my distrust from now on either. Do you get it? Grandma Jeet, come inside. And I am not answerable to any person in this house.
The way Mrs. Sanjukta Basu was humiliated just now, I have to cement my position before something similar happens to me. I have to get rid of Somak by any means possible.
Mom,
You don't have to comfort me. Leave this place. Just get out of my sight. Such an insult. Such an insult. First, let us have the court's seal on the deed. And then I will seize ownership of the property and evict Dripto Basu from it. Or I will change my name.
Then, my child, have you decided on the course of action?
Policeman, shall I start following Jasmine?
Follow her? How will you follow her around?
My friend is with me too.
Even then, it's not easy to follow someone around. No, it'll be an undue risk. You should stay put. I will follow Jasmine, okay?
No, policeman, you can't.
Why are you refusing him, my friend?
You don't understand, my friend. If the policeman starts following Jasmine, that will alert her. And that can make her alter her plans, right? And we won't be able to track that person anymore. We have to be the ones doing it. Understood?
Well, Nayan is correct in this regard. As shrewd as Jasmine is, she'll immediately change her plans if she gets cautious.
Rather than that, when Jasmine tries to make contact with him, we'll locate the place by following her, all right? Can you do it, friend?
Yes, we can do it. Mr. Karmakar, we won't be needing you anymore.
You'll need me. I won't let you do it all by yourself. I'll be accompanying you. I will be there, but at a distance. Jasmine is extremely dangerous. She'll definitely try to harm you if in any case she realizes that you are following her. No, I can't take such a big risk. Nayan, my child, I won't be giving in to any of your objections.
All right, policeman. And I swear you that I will expose Jasmine's pretense.
Alas, it's such a shameful incident. The last time, Dripto was the one to prevent Sanjukta and Vicky from leaving the house. They haven't learned a lesson from it. They are just interested in seizing the property as though they won't abandon it even after
and Nayan had to be absent today. We have to inform Nayan about it when she returns. But we have to be careful about it. Mom was too angry today. And we don't know, she might vent all of it at Nayan.
No, Jeet. I haven't told anything to Nayan, and you shouldn't too.
What? I shouldn't?
No, please don't. Nayan is engrossed in finding out the truth behind Jasmine's pregnancy. She's still looking for it. She'll be distracted if she finds out about this right now, so please don't tell her.
But Dripto, let me ask you something. If Sanjukta has really made Nayan sign the deed to her name, and if it is really with her, then what good would evicting them from the house do? It will be the same. It will do nothing.
Right. If it's true, then the property already belongs to them. What can we do?
We have to find the deed at any cost. They have made Nayan sign it. They can take possession of the house and the business any day. We have to find the deed before evicting them permanently. Otherwise, we won't gain anything from it.
Yes, but where can we find it? You searched a bag and came out empty-handed.
I have a feeling that Uncle hid it somewhere in his room.
And Dripto, Mom and Uncle Vicky have already departed. Let's go and search the room for it.
Come with me.
Let's go.